Welcome to the Nigerian Youth Academy. Congratulations! Your service year just got a major upgrade. Under the One Youth, Two Skills initiative of the Federal Ministry of Youth Development, every Corps member now has free access to NiYA. Here's all you need to do. Register and pick a course, then complete your first mandatory course within 2 days during orientation camp. Once completed, download your certificate instantly. Before your service year ends, complete at least one more course, making it a minimum of 2 courses to remain eligible for future NiYA opportunities. Upskill in 5 easy steps, completely free. Now, let's walk through it. Click the button to begin your learning experience on the NiYA platform. Next, complete the registration form by entering your first name, middle name, last name, and gender. Enter your email address. The referral or partner code NYSC automatically generates when you are registering from the correct NYSC page. Next, create a secure password and retype the exact password in the next field to confirm it. After that, input your call-up number, state code, and select your NYSC batch/cohort. Next, choose your country of residence, state of residence, and local government area (LGA) to complete your registration details. Next, complete the CAPTCHA field by entering the exact characters shown on your screen. Be sure to refresh and generate a new CAPTCHA before inputting. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then tick both boxes to confirm your agreement. You can also choose to receive updates and important information from us by selecting the notification option. Once you've completed all the required fields, go ahead and click Sign Up to submit your registration and create your NiYA account. Check your email for a 5-digit verification code to confirm your identity and secure your account. Go back to the page to input the code to complete your verification. If you experience any issues during registration or while using any section of the platform, simply click the chatbot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Our NiYA buddy and support agents are always available to guide and assist you whenever you need help.